Hello everybody, welcome to today's CKA lab. In this lab, we're going to create a pod with certain requirements. The first requirement is that we're going to use the busybox image, and then it also has to run sleep 3600 command, and it also has to have an environment variable with a variable named foo and equals bar. Actually, I forgot to add something. Shell into the pod and prove that environment variable got created. All right, so let's get started. Busybox image, sleep 3600, and environment variable. All of this we can do from the examples we have available already from kubectl command. So let's k run -h should give us an example. The example that I really want is the command one. Actually, I want both. I need both an example for a command one and one with environment. All right, labels. So this is the one with, this is the example that has environment command, not environment variables added to it. And then I also need an example that runs the command. Command is over here. All right, so let's put those two together. K is short for kubectl. Run pod name. I don't think the pod name was foo, and then image is busybox, and command will come last because otherwise it thinks that everything else comes after is an argument to the command, so we don't want that. So first we want to do the environment one that we had over here, some environment variable. Here you go. So all you have to do is like this, env blah 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 blah. All right, so we'll do that, except in our case it's supposed to be foo equals bar. And then we're going to add the command dash dash command, and then argument is sleep 3600. So let's check it again. Pod name is foo, image is busybox, environment is this, command is sleep 3600. All right, let's get pod. We have a bunch of stuff running, but let's just say foo is running, no issues here, so that's good. So now we have to shell into the pod and prove that environment variable got created. So for that, we will look up the examples using command is ex. So if we do a -h on that, it should give us an example of how to shell into a pod. So this is a good example. We'll grab that. K exec foo is the name of the pod. -c is only needed if we're shelling into a particular container when there's multiple containers. In this case, it's only one container, so no need to worry about that. -i, -t. I is interactive, T is terminal, I believe. And then I know that busybox does not have bash installed on it, so we're just going to run shell. I didn't like that. Oh, I think I need a space. And then IL. I don't know what IL is for, but they have an example, so I'll just use that. Okay, now I'm inside the pod. I know that because if I do a host name, I see foo. Now, if I do echo $foo, the value is bar. That means the environment variable got created as part of the process because we specified so in the command that we ran. Again, if I do history, you will see that this is the command I ran. Image is busybox, environment is foo equals bar, command is slip 3660. Let's look at the requirements one last time. Busybox image, slip 3600, foo equals bar, and we proved that it worked. All right, I hope you found this lab useful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.